Hello, everybody. My name is Harold, and I'm doing a review on Just the Basics purified water. I started drinking this water maybe about 3 months ago, and I bought it from CVS because it's inexpensive. I called the number that's on the labeling, the 866-347-9280 number, and of course, my main concern was whether or not there was fluoride in the water. That was the first question that I had, and I was assured that there is no fluoride in the Just for Basics purified water. My next question is whether or not I could receive a water report, and I asked for this water report maybe about 15 days ago, and I haven't received it as of yet. So what I did was I called again today, and I spoke to a young lady. Her name is Stephanie, and I guess she's the one that does this, the water reports, or at least she sends them out. And so I asked her to send out another one, and then I asked if she could just send it to me by email because we could save a tree. I don't think that anything should be done by paper, especially nowadays, because it's just really not viable. And she said sure. So I asked her when I could receive the email because you think if somebody's going to send out a water report, it would just be immediate. So anyway, by the afternoon, I still hadn't received it, so I called back, and she said, well, she spoke to her manager, and her manager has not told her when he can send the report. But she said as soon as she finds out, she'll give me a phone call. I like the water, but the truth is, I just don't know what's in it because I don't have a water report. And I have to say that after looking online, on places like Google and Yahoo, that it really took me aback to find out that there's no water report at all, a PDF that anybody else has put up, and that I think I found maybe one review online that had no water report. It was just an opinion on how the water tastes. And if you don't have a water report, basically it's just an opinion. So my only basic concern with the Just for Basics water is that this is the kind of information that should just be readily available. Nobody should have to get old James Bond just to get basic information. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to post this, and I'm giving everybody this number here so you know where to call, and maybe you can ask Stephanie for a water report and tell her that you really shouldn't have to call to get a water report. It should really just be online. And the fact that you have to call and get it sent through the mail or to have it email just makes the whole thing very suspicious. But I say it again, once I get the water report, I will post it. And if I don't get a water report, I'll let you know because, this is CVS. This is a brand that sells to, I'm sure, hundreds of thousands of people. And for there not to be some sort of water report online anywhere, to me is it's just really suspicious. People want to know what they're putting in their bodies, and the fact that there's no fat in water is just, that's obvious. So really the water report to me should be labeling that's put right on the bottle. So just to let Just the Basics know, that water reports really should be readily available to the public, so they know what they're putting into their bodies. And the next video I'll do will be of the water report or the lack thereof. Have a good day.